So I'm walking out here to make a video, and look what I see. It's been very windy, and that has been tipped over. Anyways, I think it's time for me to cut it and just, re-root it again. Besides, the root has gone through the pot, so I'm just gonna do that. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Hey guys, I am really sorry, there's a lot of wind, but I just got this package. This package was a special purchase. So I have a friend on Instagram. We follow each other on Instagram. That's the only way we know each other. And yeah, she has a great Instagram. You guys should follow her. I'll put her information down below and her name on the screen. She has all kinds of plants, and I had messaged her to see if possibly she could afford to sell me some very small cuttings of some plants that I don't have, and she said yes. So I'm very excited to see. I mentioned some plants, but I don't know what she decided on, because I left it up to her and to give me a price and everything. So like I said, she doesn't sell plants normally, but she does do giveaways on her account, so you guys should totally check her out. Her account is Mary Sucks for succulents. So let me go ahead and open this way. She gave me a warning. The tape, okay, I taped the plants on the box. You'll have to be super careful when taking it out from the box. I suggest using an X-Acto knife to cut the tape. Okay, let me see. And don't struggle. I hope you find these plants as they're for me. String of turtle string. Okay, so here she tells me. So she says that she hopes that she finds these plants as therapeutic there for her as for me. She says that she threw in a Monstera slide. I can't even say that word. It is a super fast grower. I grew it in leca, but you can put it in water until it's ready to be planted in soil. Plants enclosed is string of turtles. I really wanted that. String of hearts. I don't have the non-variegated one. Hoya lacunosa. I think it's also called Ruby Sue. And Monstera. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. And I don't have something to cut with, because I came outside. So I will be very gentle. So you guys have to bear with me. Because like she said, she taped them to the box. That was smart, I have to say. I don't think I've ever thought about taping plants to a box so that they don't get all tossed around. Well, let's see the tape. I'm just gonna grab the tape. Here we go. Perfect. Here's the first one. Let me just go ahead and peel them all out. Let's see here. Oh guys, I'm so excited for Christmas. I already started playing Christmas music. It just puts you in the best moods. Every year, guys, every year, I don't know if you guys do this, I have to watch all my favorite movies. Christmas with the Cranks, Four Christmases, what else? Home Alone, all the Home Alones. What else? Oh, I can't remember the name. Christmas Story, that one. Shoot Your Eye Out, my favorite. I watched a bunch. Over and over again. It does not matter to me. It does not get old. I love it. Okay, let's see. So excited. These will all go inside my house. Okay. Oh, excited. Look. Okay. I see here the string of hearts. So I'm gonna do my propagating method with the hormone water that I used. I feel that it worked really well. Some of these are, I can't, I'm trying to grab it gently. Hold on. Wow. Okay. So let's see. Okay, this is a big piece. Wow. You hear that wind, guys? I'm so sorry for the wind, but I wanted to open this and I wanted to share it with you guys. Wow, what's going on? I mean, I like it. I would have been working outside today, but the sun was coming and going. Okay, so this is the Hoya. What's the name of the Hoya? I wonder if this is the Hoya lacunosa. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put it in water therapy so it can perk up. And yeah, and then I'll pot it up once it's ready. So let me see. My variegated string of hearts, it does really well inside, so yeah, I'm excited for this one. This is the variegated hearts. That's one piece. Here's another piece. Look at my ugly burn, guys. It's healing. It's been hurting though a lot. So that's another. Every time I wet it, it hurts. So I was thinking about people that have gotten like really, really burned, and I was thinking about them feeling bad for, you know, people that really get burned. Look at that. So that's another piece. And then here is the precious string of turtles. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I know some people had found them on at Lowe's, but I have not been able to find it, guys. Thank you, Mary. Thank you so much. Let's see. Open this one. She did a great job packaging these. I'm just hoping the wind does not grab them. Crazy out here in the wind. I gotta go pick up that plant. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, this is the one that she's talking about. The Monstera. Oh wow. She's pretty. Look at how pretty she is. Oh, back here. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you, Mary, so much. I love everything. Thank you so much for doing this for me. I know that you probably just did it just for me. So I want to thank you so much for that. And guys, follow her on Instagram, please, and show her some love and let her know that I sent you over there. Okay, guys? All information is going to be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.